Morning. This is going to be going over how to find the midpoint of the roots, which is how you find the line of symmetry. So here we have our roots at -1 and +4. And so I think what you want to do is take those roots and combine them. So -1 plus 4, and then divide by 2 will give you the average or the halfway point that is between those two roots. You could do that either where the roots are on the x-axis, or find any other point that crosses at an easy coordinate, and then find the average of those 2 points. But here we took the roots and got the root as to be -3/2 or 1.5, or excuse me, +3/2, 1.5, or 1.5. That line of symmetry is also the x coordinate of the vertex. So then from there, you sub that in to either the factored form up here or the standard form, and then you solve for the corresponding y value. That's, in my opinion, where this t-chart is helpful. So I solve for y by subbing in 3/2. And here you might notice this is 2/2, and maybe you're wondering where that came from. Well, I have 2 as a denominator here, so I need to change this 1 into a common denominator, or 2/2, so I can combine these two numbers in the parentheses. Do the same thing for -4, which becomes -8/2. Combine these terms, and you get 5/2, -5/2, and don't forget to bring this negative sign down in front. 5 times 5 is 25, negative times negative is positive, 2 times 2 is 4, so it becomes 6.25, or 6.25. So then that's the y coordinate of the vertex. I label my points and draw my line of symmetry or axis of symmetry, and I'm good to go.